What's the meaning of boldness? Boldness. Boldness.
Boldness. Boldness. Boldness refers to the quality of being fearless and daring in one's actions or decisions, even in the face of potential risks or obstacles. It often involves taking assertive and confident steps towards achieving one's goals, despite any perceived challenges or uncertainties. This can lead to positive outcomes such as increased self-confidence, accomplishment, and success. However, excessive boldness can also lead to reckless behavior and negative consequences. Overall, the term boldness implies a certain level of courage and assertiveness in one's approach to life.